In primetime news this evening, unconstitutional. Supreme Court rules against SOE detentions. Court drama. Residents converge on Falmouth Court as woman accused of hiring hitman to kill her sister appears. And Preke boy dead. Most wanted cut down in alleged gunfight with the police. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening, what are your thoughts on the motion not to give Indicom prosecutorial powers?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.